Welcome back, learners, with the new video or the new tutorial of this channel. This tutorial is all about accesses in Power BI Service Workspace, right? So, without delaying any time, let's get started with this tutorial. Accesses are all about the roles or permissions in Power BI Workspace. Okay, so in Power BI Workspace, access is controlled through roles. That means we assign different individuals with the different roles, and each role has different level of permission. And these permissions include create, share, and manage content. We have different four types of accesses or roles in Power BI Workspace. These four roles are admin, member, contributor, and viewer. So I have listed all these four accesses in sequence, as member has the highest level of access and viewer is the lowest level of access. In admin access is the highest level of access. Admin can add, remove people and groups from the workspace. He can assign roles to others. He can configure settings, licensing permissions, and integrations. Right? These are the workspace configuration settings. He can delete the workspace, and he can create, edit, and delete content including datasets, reports, dashboards, and data flows. Admin access is basically given to workspace owners or the managers, project managers. This is all about admin access. Let's continue with the member access. Member accesses full contributor rights but cannot manage admin settings including workspace configure settings, licensing, and permissions and all. So a member can add, edit, or delete content in the workspace. He can add members or others with lower permissions. He can share datasets and reports. He can publish and update the apps. He can create and modify reports and dashboards, right? He cannot change workspace access rules. So whatever are given by admin permissions he cannot change. Now we have contributor access is focused on creating and editing the content but with limited sharing abilities, right? A contributor can view the reports, dashboards, and datasets, interact with the content, but he cannot edit, create, or delete any content. uh, he can edit it basically but with a limited capabilities. He cannot share or update the apps. Right now, viewer access is read only access. He can view the reports, dashboards, and datasets, interact with content, report content. He cannot publish or update the apps, cannot change the workspace roles or settings, and he cannot give accesses to others. Right now, summarizingly, all the four roles we have. So we have different categories using which these four roles are differentiated. These five categories are manage workspace admin settings, provide access, publish app, added content, and view content. So first role is admin. He can perform all the five actions, right? Manage workspace settings, provide access, publish a app, added content, and view content. Now member cannot manage workspace admin settings, but he can provide access only to members and other lower roles. Right? He cannot provide access to admin, but member can provide access to members, contributors, and viewers. He can publish the app, added content, and view content. Now let's talk about contributor. Contributor cannot manage workspace admin settings, cannot provide access, cannot publish the app, but he can edit the content and view the content. Now, viewer cannot perform manage workspace admin settings, provide access, publish app, or edit content, but viewer can only view the content. So this is all about the four accesses and different categories, how we can configure the roles, what roles should be provided to the what kind of individual, right? And these roles are basically very important when you are into the delivering phase of your project, right? And these accesses are important if you are preparing for interview, right? So uh, you have to make it very crisp and clear. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, or if you want to add something to these accesses, you can do that as well in the comments. Thank you.